Did you know that one small town on Lake Como has managed to charm aristocrats, artists, and celebrities for hundreds of years, and still holds on to that magic today? At the end of the video, we'll give you our personal rating of Bellagio. Bellagio captivated us the moment we saw it from the lake. It's one of the most beautiful views on Lake Como. Colorful houses, elegant villas with manicured gardens, church towers, and mountains in the background. From the ferry port, we walked along the Lungolago Europa promenade straight to the gardens of Villa Melzi. The paths run along the lake past statues and gazebos. It's truly worth taking your time to stroll through. From there, we made our way to the town center, to the Borgo district. Here you'll find Salita Serbelloni, a street built entirely of old stone, lined with little shops, restaurants, and bars. From the top, there's an iconic view of the lake. A little further on is Piazza Mazzini, the heart of the town, home to some of its most famous hotels and restaurants. Right on the lakefront stands the Grand Hotel Villa Serbelloni, the most famous hotel in all of Lake Como. It has a private beach, and you can feel the atmosphere of the Belle Époque, literally beautiful era, the same style used to decorate the Titanic. On the hill above town sits another villa, Villa Serbelloni. Fun fact, it belongs to the Rockefeller Foundation. You need a guide to visit the gardens, but it's well worth it. A terraced park with exotic trees, staircases, statues, romantic gazebos, and some of the most beautiful views over Lake Como. From there, we moved on to Piazza della Chiesa, where we sampled local specialties and admired the Basilica of San Giacomo, with its massive stone walls and bell tower built in the Romanesque style, and inside, it holds artistic treasures from various eras. The steps led us down into the small village of Pescallo, a quiet fishing quarter, colorful houses, and an even smaller harbor, as if time had simply stopped there. Silence, peace, and just the sound of water lapping against the stone piers. We highly recommend sitting down there and just switching off for a while. We honestly found it hard to say goodbye to Bellagio, so on our way back, we wandered the streets a little longer, stretching out those final moments, until we reached Punta Spartivento Park. It's the most beautiful headland at Bellagio's northernmost tip, exactly where Lake Como splits into two branches, which is where the name Spartivento comes from, wind divider. And it's probably the best spot to watch the sunset here, as long as there aren't 1,000 other people waiting for the same sunset. The sky over the Alps turns shades of orange and pink, while across the lake, the lights of the towns gradually come to life. In the evening, we headed back to Piazza Mazzini and treated ourselves to a local specialty, risotto con pesce persico. The town feels completely different after dark, full of tourists by day, but in the evening the elegant terraces take over, evoking the era when aristocrats and artists once gathered here. And that, in our opinion, is exactly why Bellagio holds on to its magic and is considered a true gem. Its lakeside setting, the elegance of its hotels, the quiet streets, and the sunsets. What struck us most was its exclusivity and the overall atmosphere. All of it is simply top tier. It's one of the best experiences we've had on Lake Como. Bellagio isn't a gem just because of its location, but above all because of the atmosphere you feel here. If you enjoy places like this in Italy, check out our video on Capri and thousands of years of luxury.